My mission is to kill them. My mission is to... Oh my god! Finally it comes. I'm gonna kill that katana man thingy thing. After Denji comes in. Wait, I forgot the guard. Back again. Hi. I'm ready. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not ready yet. Why? Let's talk first. Okay? Why is your clothes like that? What do you mean? Your clothes are too big. No, they're not. Yes, they are. You know what? You know what? Take this. They died. Oh my god, I don't want to curse in here. Yeah. Oh. God, what the heck do you want? Just die. I don't care if I die. Ah. Ugh. Cha. Nah. Nah. Ugh. Why the hell do you want from me? I just want to beat my dog. Ugh. And it broke. It broke too. It broke. Oh frick, not me. Who? Look, you're back. What the heck? What? Oh my god. Please no. Ugh. 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 I apologize. I can still fight Ian. Ugh. Yeah, my feet again. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I'll just regen him. What the heck? Yeah. Up, up. Aye, aye, aye. Cha. Cha. Wait, did I record that? I'm gonna do it again. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, I ripped him. I gotta do it again. Yeah. Oh. No. Yeah. Ah.
What a good day playing rollerblades. Hi. Your pants look dirty to me. Also, is that blood? No, it's just a red spray.
Ow.
Also, my pants is free. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Did it?
Sure.
Can you ban that move? No. Please, no. I can't do that. I gotta respect my father. Apologize before you die. Hey, I banned that move! Oh, hell no, man.
For me, it's great.
Chuck. No!
What? What? How my pants get disappeared? 6 months later. It's been a week I didn't play with Ben. I better meet him right now. Roblox.
Chuck.
You okay?
Chuck.
That's very sad. What? No way, it's back. Oh,
It's
been
done,
6
Denji.
months, and now it's finally back.
Yeah, don't mind that noise. I'm watching something, so
Pants like me?
I don't get bored. Denji is you're done.
My outfit. My outfit
I'm
looks
not
fine.
done yet. I could still fight. Apologize before we fight. Are you serious? I can still fight.
In a responsible way. Wait a minute. Glee, do you wait
Chuck.
This is an Arsenal server.
Wait, what? Dude.
Hi. Sup? Let's roleplay. I don't know. Pretty please. Begs you. Okay, fine.
The
I'll
heck?
try it once. Yay! I'll roleplay as your girlfriend. Don't do that, please. Blow us kisses.
This is the night.
Even its attack. Waxois, you aren't going anywhere. Transforms into demon.
Apologize before you die.
Stewie 2007 Pro Gaming.
Are you kidding me? Fine.
What's that name?
Sorry.
It's my
And
username.
thank you
I do Roblox gameplay.
for aiming for the head.
Check it out, dude. I'm pretty famous.
Huh?
Hey, dude. Hey, man. What do you want? You look very familiar. I know you. I'm Chris Back on YouTube. Check it out. I'm famous. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're famous. Yeah, by the way, you should sub to my second channel. Super Pro Gaming. Gaming chair for $24,000. Let's test my
Where am I?
chair.
Why are you here? Why are you here? We are gonna kick your ball. Oh, hell no, man, please. And I'm gonna shoot your balls. Yeah,
Finally come. So will you
I'm gonna be in the back.
No.
Kick him, Aki.
1,000 Robux.
No!
Guess I won't be toxic anymore. 12 seconds later. Oh! Finally added a new face.
My turn. Okay.
This is a very sussy face. I need to get 4,000 Robux for this. 2 hours later. Have you already seen the new Among Us? A few moments later. Can you give me 4,000 bucks?
Bro went to the back rooms. The end.